I ain't gonna lie, y'all tripping if y'all ain't tapped in with this. Real deal Holyfield. For real. If you ain't got the glitchy, tap in, man. Get the glitchy. You want run it up? That's what the glitchy doing. Yeah. Tap in, get the glitchy. It ain't hard. Tap in, man. Glitchy 250. Don't miss out. It's really, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can see the little dude right there. You can see the president. Ain't no counterfeit or nothing like that. These are, you know what I'm saying? Just smacking with that. This is doing this, and it's doing this. Tap in 250. Hit me on my Telegram, link in my community post. Don't miss out. Let's get it.